Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've never used the envelope tool with a already preset pattern, but it's pretty cool when you do stuff like this, or even this. Anyway, really, really easy. I'm gonna take, some rectangles. I'm gonna make them pretty even. I'm gonna make them 1 inch across. And let's make them like 20 inches long. I've got my ratio unlocked. Because they're 1 inch across, I'm going to make my nudge factor 2 inches. And I'm going to control D and make a duplicate and move it over. And then what that's doing is just spacing it out. Then I'm just going to take some random colors. I'll click on, you could use the smart fill tool, but you can just go over here and click on your color, fill it in. And just pick some random colors, doesn't really matter what, make them all different or make them the same or whatever you want to do. And the neatest thing is then take them all and then right click no outline. And to do this, you've got to group them together. Then go up to effects and envelope tool and click a preset, choose a preset. I've never used them before. I mean, look at that. It gets it even on both sides, but the one I'm doing tonight is this hourglass looking figure. It would take you a long time to get that perfectly even like that. And then you could take and do whatever you want to with it. Let's make it, with our ratio lock now, let's make them 2 inches. And then, so we've got tell you what, let's unlock it for a second and make it 4. So we got 2 by 4. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate and you could do this. You don't have to do this. And then set your nudge factor on 4. Control D and then move them down. I don't know what you'd use it for, but, just take, just another little insight. Take a 1-point line, 2-point line of me, and go right here to your parallel drawing. And let's do 30 lines, and from selected, you can make them whatever color you want, and we still have to group them together. That's the most important part. You've got to go to Object or Control G, and then use that same hourglass. I mean, look at that. I mean, if you wanted to bend some lines, and that's only 30, and, there's a lot of presets. That's not so cool, maybe, or is. The lines aren't perfect in these cases, but look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool shape. Anyway, so play around with preset shapes. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.